Hello dear everybody, greetings to you. Myself Mr Karthikeyan, mentor in NEET, Botany and Zoology subjects. In this video module, I want to explain to you the information regarding genetic code. So this genetic code topic is related to the subject Botany, intermediate second year, Andhra Pradesh or different states. Especially many times this question was raised in intermediate public examination from Andhra Pradesh. So this answer carries 4 marks. So what is the answer? How we have to describe the answer or this topic? Points wise clearly I shall explain to you. Watch carefully and learn well, score well. So genetic code. So the main theme of genetic code is like a pin code. So every town or mandal or something, it has a special code that is a pin code. Permanent something, integrity number, pin code, PIN. So here genetic code in the sense it is related to genes and DNA especially. So what is genetic code in the sense? The code which translate the DNA information into proteins with the help of tRNA, mRNA or RNA. That code is known as genetic code. So this genetic code always contains 3 nucleotides. So because genetic code is triplet, 3 nucleotides contains because it is known as a triplet. So each triplet is known as codon. So examples here we have written UAA, UAG, UGA, etc. Vice versa. So those 3 letters combination together called triplet, that is called codon. So those 3 letters are 3 nucleotide sequences. So total 20 amino acids are there worldwide in different organisms. These 20 amino acids combination together form different types of proteins utilized by the cells. So to form these 20 types of amino acids, total 64 genetic codons are there. So out of these 64 genetic codons, 3 genetic codons are stop codons. Why? Because those 3 never will be participate in the production or synthesis of any amino acids. Those are known as stop codons. Here we have written UAA, UAG, UGA. These 3 together called stop codons. This is separate 2 marks also. Remember everybody. So these 3 stop codons, they have nicknames. This is for NEET and MSET or JE, etc. I mean only for medical entrance competitive exams purpose. Remember UAA nickname is ochre, UAG nickname is amber, UGA nickname is opal. So these nicknames are unique and important for competitive preparation candidates. You could add this in IPE also, no problem. So these 3 together called stop codons because they never participate in recognizing or synthesis of any amino acids out of these 20. The next one, each codon is specific for only an amino acid. So here we have written. So each and every genetic codon is specific and each and every genetic codon is ambiguous and each and every genetic codon is universal and there is no punctuations in the genetic codon. While reading the information by the genetic codons, there is no punctuations, comma, full stop, semicolon and etc. So continuously they may read. If any punctuations occurs, that is known as mutation. You knew what is meant by mutation. So mutation occurs either positive or negative. It doesn't matter, depends on the organism and resource or the nature. So remember, it is universal, it is ambiguous, it is specific. Only one codon prefer for an amino acid. Sometimes more than one codon prefer an amino acid. This is also very important for competitive candidates. So here glutamic acid or glutamine. So this glutamine actually coded by only one codon according to genetic code. But here two genetic codons they may code glutamine, that is GAA-GAG. GAA-GAG code the glutamic acid or glutamine, and one more GGT-GGC code glycine. Vice versa, etc. Many examples we shall take, but these two are unique, you could remember. So glutamic acid or glutamine, glycine. So these amino acids coded by more than one genetic codon. This phenomena is known as redundancy. Remember everybody. So what is meant by redundancy? In the sense, an amino acid will be coded by more than one genetic codon is known as a redundancy. Redundancy meaning nothing but in English commonly it is called excess, more than. Remember, redundancy. So this is the information regarding genetic code. So these all short points you could remember, then you could learn easily. Triplet 64 3 20 amino acids, one for one. Remaining those three are called stop codons. Example, short names, punctuations absent. Sometimes more codons for one amino acid. Example, two examples here we have coded. Universal, ambiguous, specific. What is the main theme of genetic codon? In the sense, translating the DNA information into amino acids and proteins with the help of these three RNAs. So the main example for this answer is bacterium cell to humans. UUU, triple U codes the phenylalanine. So the amino acid phenylalanine coded by triple U, UUU, because that is a universal, specific, ambiguous, etc. I hope you understood. Thanking you everyone. Signing off. By the way, this is Mr. Karthikeyan, mentor in NEET, Botany and Zoology subjects.